Daniel Schwab.
Because we just got back from SPOTTR, which is a 4-week course of which the 3rd week you go out and storm chase and observe storms and get practice with actually seeing them in the field and applying all those things you've spent several years living in the classroom to real life.
Your entire life.
Geology.
I wanted to do it again because I thought it was really fun last year, and I needed something to do this summer. Last year I got into it because I went to a meeting for the Storm Chasing Association of Purdue where Professor Tornadic was there and advertised it, and I thought it was really cool, so that led me to apply for it last year. I got accepted, I went on it, I had lots of fun, and now I'm back again for round 2. And then sometime in the start of high school, right around COVID, I guess I must have just been bored and started looking up interesting things about severe storms, and I started paying attention to meteorology, trying to forecast on my own, and then I've just kind of never stopped in the past 6 years.
So I find the whole field of atmospheric science fascinating because there's these like simple, just basic ideas like the laws of physics, and then somehow when you put them all together on a planet like Earth, you somehow get all these massive storms and lightning and tornadoes. And then this course gives me an opportunity to go out and actually get to go and observe those things and not just think about them abstractly, but see them in person. So one of the things with the gust front is that it can actually get quite far in front of this actual rain from the storm. So we were driving, and Baker's actually driving in. We got to the gust front and the visibility dropped to less than 1,000 feet, I guess.
Yeah, Dr. Hamachi
because it
radio.
was full of.
Both hands on the wheel.
Both hands on the wheel.
I was driving through that thing too.
Is it
Both
really?
hands on the wheel.
It was a really high gust, and there was also kicking up dust everywhere because it was 10 to 20 kilometers in front of the precipitation. So you had this massive dust cloud, then you go through that, and it was calm for maybe 10 minutes, and then all of a sudden the actual precipitation hit us like 10-15 minutes after the dust cloud, and we're back to having barely any visibility because we were enveloped in very heavy rain.
After I do this trip and once I graduate, I don't imagine I'll be involved in a career that will involve all that much field work because I'm more of a theoretical person, but I do still find the field work fun to do for fun, and also in a course like this, and getting that opportunity is really exciting to go out and do the field work. You get to see cool storms. Also for me, I'm kind of looking at this going, so this is how all that data I'm using in my undergraduate research is being collected, is by people going out and doing this. And I think that's really exciting to kind of complete the full circle from the atmosphere all the way back to my computer. The ability to like see the observations and the actual collection of the data that I'd want to use or verify any theories I had with. It's also, I think, really good just in general to get exposure to other areas that you don't know much about. Like, I know I'm interested in the theory, and going out and having done SPOTTR last year, I know I find the field work fun as well. I think I could do it for a career. I enjoy working in the theory slightly more, but if you had asked me a year and a half ago, do you think you'd enjoy field work? I would have said absolutely not. Now having done it once, I can say I enjoy it quite a bit. I don't think it's quite as fun as working on equations on a blackboard, but I still think it's quite fun.